Hey kings and queens, please enjoy this hilarious clip of a bee attacking me while I was trying to record for y'all.
Zig it out, anyhow, bad man now, zag it out, anyhow, be the man, I'm higher than you now, zag it out, Neptune make #1 tune, yeah.
Alright guys, hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. Let me crack my back real quick. Oh god, oh Jesus. I've been up since 8 o'clock yesterday. I didn't get home until 10 o'clock to start doing these twists, and I'm still not done yet. It is 11 o'clock same day, so that's about 10. Let's do some counting here because I'm bad at math. 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh wow, a good 13 hours. Was that even correct math? I don't even know that. You know what, I'm literally losing my mind. As you can see by the title, you guys, of this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my Havana / Marley twists, whatever you want to call it. Don't think you're gonna get some professional grade quality how to do such and such, because it's not professional, but I'm gonna show you how I do it. If you want some tips on how to make them look thick, and like you have issues with getting your hair look your braids like thicker. I used to have an issue with having my you know, braiding hair or twists or whatever like really thin, and I hated that. But I have some tips that I found, some tips and tricks I got to make them look thicker. Lord Jesus, we gonna get through this together. Okay guys, okay, you know what, hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. I left the top space so that you guys can, so that it could be, you know, for y'all to see. I parted my hair so that it could be like, I can have multiple parts. Like I could have a side part, I can have a middle, well that's not really a good middle part, but I could fix that later. You know, just basically this diagonal type stuff so I could flip it. See, so I could flip my hair. Lord, have I even showed y'all how long these are? Okay, let me show y'all really quick how long these are. So this is how long they are. It's literally to my butt. So this is the hair that I have been using. Oh Lord, this is the, what is it called? The designer dream look with Femi, I don't know. This is 100% Kanekalon flame retardant kinky twist braiding hair. That's what the package looks like. I got this from my local beauty supply. It was $4.99. Why am I so black? It was $4.99 per pack. My head is big, so I got 15 packs. $83, fam. $83. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I do this thing. I probably should have got a hair tie for my hair, but it's all good. What I like to use on my real hair is the Eco Styling Gel. On each piece of hair of my real hair, I use the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner. I just find that it's a good moisturizer for my actual hair. And of course I use my trusty handy dandy rat tail comb. It has a bunch of nap rats in it, but it's okay. I'm going to part my hair because right now it looks like I have about 6 braids or 6 twists left.
Alright guys, so I'm just showing you guys my part, the sizing of my part. It's just a simple square. You can do any shape you like. Now I'm just going to be combing out the ends and then applying my leave-in conditioner for moisturization, and then I'll be applying the Eco Styling Gel to my root to get ready for the twist.
So now I'm gonna show you guys how I do each twist. So just taking your hair, it's about 12 inches in each pack. Well, I think the ones that I got were the 12-inch packs. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to elongate the hair to make it look longer. By the way, for each twist, I only used 3 pieces, because you know how like this is the kinky twist hair, so it comes in like separated pieces basically. So this is what it's gonna look like. I only use about 3 pieces, 3 to 4 depending on how big the pieces are. Once you have your 3 pieces, it's gonna look like this. You do not want to, I mean, you could start twisting with this, but if you want it to be really long, you're gonna have to break it apart. The easiest way to break this apart, guys, is just taking your thumb or your nail or whatever and holding the middle part and just pulling the ends like so. Hair at the bottoms, like, if that makes any sense. Literally just pulling the bottom part and then like pulling it all together, just like this. That's it. Don't try and pull it like from the middle. Don't try and do it like, you know, the straight silky hair, because you're gonna be dealing with some knots, okay? And that's gonna just take up a bunch of your time. I did that. Don't do it. Really just gonna fluff it out by putting your fingers through the ends, and that's it. When you lay them down, make sure that they're all in different lengths. So this one, I pulled this one shorter. This one, I made this one longer. And then I pulled the hair like this, because you basically want the hair to have frayed ends, okay? Frayed ends like this. You don't want it to be blunt, because then you're not gonna get the gradient from thick to like the skinny ends or whatever. So yeah, I hope that makes sense. I hope that was understandable. So now it's time to attach the hair on. So I do this the really ghetto way. I do not do the twist from the top, because I just don't have time, and with these nails it'll never happen. So we're just gonna, you know, take this piece of hair right in the middle on even, so make sure that it's even, the strand. We're just gonna take the hair. We're gonna, I do it so ghetto, you guys, I'm not even gonna lie, and I just hold it just like this. It's like how you used to braid when you were little. And I hold my hair just like this. Take this one side and wrap it over, because, you know, I'm getting ready to do the braiding method. And then literally just start braiding. And if you don't know how to braid, then I don't know what to tell you. To me, this is the easiest way, because any other way, like, I just get so confused and I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I might just, you know what, right now I'm just gonna start the twist. So literally, this is my hair in the middle. I hope you guys can see that this is my hair in the middle. And I just literally just take it, make sure that it's in the middle, and I take it and I split it into 2. So now there's my hair on this side, and then there's my hair on this side. And then all I would do right now is just add some more gel onto my fingers and then just start twisting. And y'all, I'm gonna show you guys how I twist. So this is to show you guys how to make sure that your twist will be full. So you want to start by doing this kind of twist, okay? I cannot explain this, it's so hard. You're literally just taking your fingers and you're twisting it while you're as you're twisting. It's like a double twist kind of, just to make sure that it's gonna stay. Because if you just do this, that right there, it's not gonna work. It's gonna unravel. So twist your finger upward and then wrap. Twist it upward, give it to the other finger. Twist it upward, give it to the other finger. It should look like a rope, okay? I really hope you guys could see that. And so now I'm gonna show you guys how to make it look fuller coming downward. So keep adding gel until like none of your hair, because my hair is still right here. So just keep adding some more gel to it so that it won't stick out, because I have natural hair, okay? But right now, after you've passed the ends of your real hair in the twist, what you want to make sure that you do is that to make the hair look full like this, you just carefree twist right now. Like, you literally just twist it like, you know, you don't know what you're doing. Okay, don't be so tight with it. Literally just twist it like it doesn't matter. See what I'm doing? It's like the loosest twist ever. And it's okay, because when you dip it, it's gonna look so good. I promise you. It's gonna look like dreads, like those cute dreads. Like, it's gonna look more realistic. And that's what I wanted. Like, I don't like for the twist to be so tight and it look thin as crap. Like, I don't want that. I want my twist to look full like this. Like, what? That's cute. So, and then of course when you get down to the bottom, you can go back to the thin again. And it's okay, all these flyaways and ugly crap, when you dip it, it's going to look very good. So sorry if it's out of focus, guys. It's so long. This is before the dippage, but does it not look full and pretty? Y'all can't say it doesn't look full and cute. It looks cute like that. Because if it was all thin and flat, like, ugh, God, no. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, you know, the rest of my head, and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. So yeah, I'll be right back.
The girls, them sugar. The girls, them world class lover. The girls, them need this nigga. When me love them, she a pump figure. Yeah, the man, them where the girl admire. Not the girl that make them ball out for jaja. And I got the girl.
Okay. Let me get up out of here.